friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can watch all the interesting and practical videos. All the content of this channel is based on the reliable medical sources of the world, and the available instructions have been tested by countless people and are 100% real and doable. So feel free, use these formulas, and enjoy the results. Today I am with you with another video, so stay with me until the end.
ProteinShake is an extremely useful drink for building muscles and increasing body energy. Consuming a protein shake after training provides the protein needed by the body, and on the other hand, it also helps to supply the body's lost fluids. What is a protein shake and what are its benefits? Protein shake is a type of drink rich in protein, which is usually prepared by combining milk or water with protein powder. This drink is usually used to increase muscle mass after exercise. Protein shake is a healthy, nourishing and filling drink that can be effective for weight loss and reducing the feeling of hunger. Many people use different natural proteins instead of adding protein powder to this drink. In normal conditions, the human body needs about 50 to 175 grams of protein during the day, and the amount of protein needed by athletes is usually more than this amount. Next, you can get to know the benefits of protein shake. Increasing muscle mass. Decreased feeling of hunger. Help to lose weight. Increase body metabolism. Reducing fat around the abdomen. Prevent muscle wasting. Increase muscle mass. Muscle health. What should we use to prepare a protein shake? In the preparation of protein shake, you can use protein powders and protein-rich foods. In the following, you can get acquainted with a list of protein sources for preparing shakes. Protein powders such as whey protein or whey protein, casein protein and various vegetable proteins. Dairy. Types of nut butters such as peanut butter, cashew butter. Fruits such as bananas, mangoes and avocados. Seeds such as hemp, flax and chia seeds. Plant milks such as almond milk, coconut milk and oat milk. How to prepare muscle-building protein shake with coffee. Preparation time, 10 minutes. Calories per glass of coffee protein shake, 218 calories. Necessary ingredients for coffee protein shake for breakfast. Low-fat milk, 1 French cup with handle. Brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons. Mocha cappuccino protein powder, 1/4 French cup. How to prepare. To make this coffee protein shake, you need to combine all the ingredients easily. You can eat this delicious protein shake as a protein-rich breakfast to improve physical performance and increase the body's metabolism. Each glass of this shake has about 35 grams of protein.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for being with me. If you like the video, please like it. Every week, a lot of interesting videos are posted on the channel, so subscribe now and press the bell button.